Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word magnanimity. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Despite her success and wealth, she was known for her magnanimity and generosity towards those less fortunate. Magnanimity refers to the quality of being noble, generous, and magnanimous in spirit, especially in forgiving injury or insult, displaying kindness and compassion towards others. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.